What's up, people? This your boy Mike Atlanta from Hot Atlanta. It's another day, another adventure over here. About to go drop this load off, this trash load at this recycling center in Fernandina Beach. Man, it's a great morning out here. I'm still out here close to Orlando. It's about 60 degrees right now. But we about to make this day a good day. Let's run it. Oh, man, look at that. I don't have no rug. I'll put the towel down. Shake this thing up. Use the towel because I can get a lot of towels for free at that. You know, when your rug get dirty, it's like you done bought you a rug and it'll get all dirty. These are my work shoes, but the rug will get all dirty and then you gotta throw it away. The towel, get them for free. Throw that mug on the floor and just wipe your feet. And then when the towel get too dirty, you throw it away. Simple as that. Alright, so before I pull out, you know, you gotta get prepared for the day. So I went and got me a chicken biscuit from the racetrack. So I got me a little chicken biscuit from the racetrack. I got my own bacon. This is the bacon that you just microwave. Just put it in the microwave. So I'm gonna throw this bacon on top of the chicken sandwich, and it's going down. And then later on, when I stop and I'm done for the day, I'm about to cook me some salmon. Ooh, that's a big piece right there. But I love me some salmon with some mashed potatoes. So I'll go ahead and take this out. It's been sitting in the freezer. Take it out, throw it on the electric skillet, let it sizzle, sizzle, special seasonings on there, whole bunch of butter, and then I got these packs of mashed potatoes I'm gonna cook with. So yeah, dinner is served later on. Hey, I know the one thing I need is a haircut. No, when I stop through Atlanta again, I might have to stop at that barber shop. Stop at that barber shop, get that clean cut. That clean cut. I usually cut my own hair. I do have a set of clippers. I mean, I ain't been doing a bad job. I might go ahead and cut my own hair today. You know, nothing fancy. You know, it usually comes out pretty good. So I'll probably do that. We about to hit this road though. Drop off this trash, as I call it. Recycled trash. And we're gonna see where we go from there. I haven't picked a load just yet. Because, I don't know, either one, it's a short load, or two is going somewhere that I know it's going to be hard to get a nice long load. So we might have to head up north, y'all. I got my fun in the sun. What I might do is catch a long load up north, come right back down south. That'll be a good week right there, and I think I might do that. We'll see what happens though. We got to see what they pop up on this board. Alright, we about to roll out. Going through the fuel pump. Man, see, racetrack is kind of like a quick trip in a way. You know, they let us fuel at the quick trip For some reason, we can't fuel at the racetrack. Not sure why. I don't know if it's good. Maybe they don't take the EFS. I can't remember. But I can fuel here. I definitely would. Fuel right now in Florida is about $3.70. Most of the fuel about $3.70 in Florida. So maybe if I get up north a little bit, fuel up a little bit north, like Georgia is like $3.50. If this car don't drive any slower, I'm gonna lose my mind. Golly, I could have went. I done seen a bunch of FedEx drivers. They must have a warehouse around here. Got that cool breeze. Get this show on the road, baby. Hey, we got that trailer. And then we ain't get the trailer. We gotta drop this empty off. Man, I forgot where he told me to drop it off at. And there goes the trailer that I'm actually picking up. Right over there, 67727. Alright, so where do I drop this empty at? I guess I just gotta hit the road. I did not know. I don't know what road he said. Alright. We're just gonna drop it off here. And find a little empty space. There's one right there, but my goodness, it gotta be one on this side. Otherwise I might have to make a U-turn, which I don't want to. Hey, found one. We're gonna see if we could squeeze in here. Looks kind of tight. Pretty tight, but hey, gotta put them skills to work. They got me on here. They got me put it in the grass. They go across this dirt lot. They couldn't put it over there with the other trailers. Not sure exactly why, but hey, it is what it is. And then that back wheel is on a hill. I don't know about that, son. I don't know about that, son. So, just hooked up to this trailer. Had a little scared there for a second because my right blinker on the trailer wasn't working. I'm thinking because it was on top of that hill. But when I pulled the trailer forward, it decided to start working. So I gotta keep my eye on that. So far, so good. About to stop at this Mr. Fuel little gas station so I can get some fuel. And I'm gonna check them again, make sure them things are blinking. Can't be on the road. Your blinker don't work, especially if you in a truck. Let's get up out of here. So I caught a load going, like I said, back towards Tampa to set me up for a nice long load back up north. I'm back over here in my favorite spot. About to whip it up. Like I told you guys earlier, about to cook up some salmon. But in the meantime, I'm just sitting here watching this view. Look at that bridge over there. Tampa. Man, my windshield, because of the dog. Look at all that. It's because of you, buddy. Look at that. Can't even see out of the window, because he be all up on the glass or whatever. But I'm about to whip it up. Got my butter right here. Bow. About to throw it in there like bow. Got that butter cooking. Already done seasoned up the salmon. About to do it big. About to throw this on here. Look at the ocean while we cook. But yo, that's my adventure for today. Hope y'all like this video. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. All that good stuff, man. Y'all be easy out there. Keep those wheels turning, because if them wheels ain't turning, you ain't earning. About to cook me some food. Go to sleep. Gotta wake up early. Gotta drop this off about 8 in the morning. I'm only like 20 minutes away. But drop this off at 8 and keep it moving. Y'all be safe out there. Peace.